Shooting cinematic footage is no longer just about image quality, but motion. This is Muwi, the first pocket-sized dolly for smartphones, making it possible for everyone to capture cinematic footage. With the retractable phone holder and the patent-pending rotary legs, make it possible to achieve perfect linear and curved movements with one tool. What about cameras? Just snap the swivel clip and mount your DSLR, mirrorless, or action cameras. The secure ball joint allows you to capture from any angle. The foldable legs make it compact and create a low center of gravity, providing the best balance even with a DSLR. We've tried hard to develop additional abilities for Muwi that enhance its ease of use and boost your creativity. Attaching the flow modules will transform Muwi into a motorized dolly. Flow is the most intuitive and simple way to have an automated motion. Just turn it on and scroll for speed adjustment. With Flow X, Muwi becomes completely hands-free. You can adjust speed, direction, and control your camera remotely. Muwi will go fast enough to follow the action and slow enough to capture perfect time lapses. Track will turn your Muwi into a lightweight and easy to set up slider that can be mounted to any tripod. It is made from airplane-grade aluminum to ensure the best quality and stability. It's foldable and compact. Just put it into your backpack and discover the world. Muwi is small but powerful. It can shoot steep incline shots on load, climbing freely along the track without a cable or belt. We've gathered an amazing team of product designers and engineers. We iterated and tested it over and over again, finally creating something we are truly proud of. Our mission is to empower and inspire people to tell better stories and make professional videography available for everyone, anywhere, at any time. We are now ready for the first mass production run, but need your support. Back us today and help us bring the most versatile and affordable filmmaking tool into your hands.